Part 4, Chapter 22. Neshama and Ruach, the ultimate backbone of humans. Neshama and Ruach are the two components possessed by every single human being. Together, they confer humanity on humankind. Neshama and Ruach are the essential constituents that endow humans with their humanity. This chapter aims to show the reality and inseparability of the spirit duo. We will discuss the exact role of Ruach later. We're focusing on the creation of humans, specifically what makes humans human. The Bible presents the Neshama and the Ruach as imparted by God to humans. The following chapters about Ruach cast the base of spirituality, obviously Christ is the foundation, and psychology. The explanation will show you why each human possesses Ruach and how to use it advantageously, both spiritually and secularly. We'll start by seeing this association of Neshama and Ruach as an indivisible twosome. We saw this next verse in the last chapter, but it is the first time the duo is joined. Therefore, it is crucial to see it again. Unfortunately, the KJV translators omitted the translation for one of the Hebrew words. In biblical Hebrew, you can see both Ruach and Neshama appear, and they are both associated with humans. Genesis 7, verse 22 in the KJV, all, that is humans, all in whose nostrils was the breath, H 7307, of H 5397, was the breath of life, of all that was in the dry land, died. The New King James Version has, all in whose nostrils was the breath of the Spirit of life. All that was on the dry land died. Straight away, we see a significant issue that will confront us throughout our study of Ruach, its translation. In Genesis 6, verse 17, Ruach Chaim is translated breath of life. And in Genesis 2, verse 7, Nishmat Chaim is also translated identically in English, breath of life. You cannot translate two different Hebrew words with the same English word. In English, it is impossible to see this and correctly understand what the Word of God is telling us. Verify it yourself at unlockbiblemeaning.com. The KJV translators did not understand, as with most people today, the role of the Ruach. Similarly, they didn't understand that of the Neshama either. And to top it off, who understands the relationship between Ruach and Neshama? In Genesis 7, verse 22, the Ruach and Neshama are side by side. They are different, and at the same time, both are interconnected and directly involved with human life. This association is so essential for comprehension that we will look at all 10 verses where we find this twosome. Unlock Scripture's core meaning with Biblical Hebrew made simple. No reading, no memorizing. Get your free mini course now, theexplanation.com/naked.